6 foods that naturally cleanse the liver. Your liver works silently, every single second, to keep you alive. It filters your blood, removes toxins, and turns nutrients into energy. But here's the truth. In today's world, our liver is fighting a battle it never signed up for. Processed foods, artificial preservatives, alcohol, pollution, medications, all of these pass through your liver first. And over time, that burden starts to show. You may feel more tired, sluggish after meals, or even experience brain fog or mild bloating, all subtle signs your liver is asking for help. The good news? You don't need expensive detox kits or fancy supplements. You can nourish and cleanse your liver naturally just by adding the right foods to your daily diet. So today, I'll show you 6 powerful foods backed by science that help your liver heal, repair, and work at its best. 1. Garlic, the tiny detox hero. Garlic isn't just a flavor booster, it's one of nature's best liver protectors. It contains selenium, a mineral that activates your liver's natural antioxidant enzymes, helping flush out harmful compounds more efficiently. It's also rich in vitamin B6, which calms inflammation inside the liver, and arginine, an amino acid that relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow and easing pressure on the liver. Just 1 or 2 fresh cloves a day, crushed or lightly cooked, can make a real difference in liver function. Tip: add crushed garlic to warm lemon water in the morning or mix into soups. It's a simple, natural cleanse your liver will thank you for. 2. Grapefruit, a vitamin C shield. Grapefruit is a natural liver guardian. It's packed with vitamin C and glutathione, a powerful compound your liver uses to break down and remove toxins. Your liver actually makes glutathione on its own, but as we age, production slows down. Eating grapefruit helps restore that natural defense system. Studies show that glutathione supports immune strength, tissue repair, and overall detoxification. Just half a grapefruit a day or a small glass of fresh juice can boost your liver's ability to process and remove waste. Avoid grapefruit only if you're on certain medications. Always check with your doctor first. 3. Leafy greens, nature's internal cleaners. Leafy greens, like spinach, arugula, and chicory, act like filters for your body. They contain chlorophyll, a compound that binds to heavy metals, pesticides, and chemicals, and helps escort them out of your system. These greens also increase bile flow, which is how your liver removes waste and digests fats. Think of bile as the river that carries toxins out of your body. The more it flows, the cleaner your system. Try to include 1 cup of leafy greens daily, whether it's in a smoothie, salad, or sautéed with garlic and olive oil. Your liver will love you for it. 4. Beets and cruciferous veggies, deep blood purifiers. Beets are one of the most underrated superfoods for liver health. They help cleanse your blood, improve oxygen flow, and boost detox enzymes that help the liver break down toxins more efficiently. Their deep red pigment called betalain also supports natural inflammation control. Meanwhile, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts help your body produce phase 2 detox enzymes, which are essential for converting toxins into harmless compounds your body can safely eliminate. In simple terms, these veggies help your liver not only collect toxins but neutralize them, a critical step for long-term liver protection. Pro tip: lightly steam your cruciferous vegetables. It helps preserve their liver-boosting compounds. 5. Avocado and walnuts, the liver's best friends. Here's something most people don't realize. Your liver needs healthy fats to stay strong. And avocados are loaded with the best kind, omega-rich, anti-inflammatory fats, plus vitamins C, E, and K, which protect your liver cells from damage. They also boost glutathione, the same master antioxidant we mentioned earlier. Adding just half an avocado to your breakfast or salad daily can make a big difference in how efficiently your liver filters toxins. And don't forget walnuts. They're rich in arginine, omega-3 fatty acids, and glutathione, all vital for detoxifying ammonia and supporting strong liver tissue. Their healthy fats also prevent fat buildup in the liver, one of the key causes of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease in older adults. Tip: a small handful of raw walnuts a day is perfect. Avoid the salted or candied ones to keep the benefits pure. 6. Turmeric, the golden protector. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years, and modern science confirms why. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps your liver heal and regenerate. It increases bile flow, supports digestion, and even blocks toxins, including alcohol and chemicals, from turning into harmful compounds. Think of it as a reset for your liver cells. Curcumin also boosts enzymes that clear out stored fat and promotes new, healthy liver tissue. Add a pinch of turmeric to soups, eggs, or warm milk. Pair it with a little black pepper. It boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Gentle daily liver care habits. Beyond these 6 foods, small daily choices matter. Stay hydrated with clean water throughout the day. Limit alcohol and processed sugars. Get regular movement. Even a 20-minute walk improves circulation and liver oxygen flow. And most importantly, give your liver time to rest. Avoid late-night snacking so it can focus on repair while you sleep. Your liver doesn't need a detox week. It needs consistent love every day. Final thoughts. These 6 foods, garlic, grapefruit, leafy greens, beets, cruciferous vegetables, avocados, walnuts, and turmeric, aren't quick fixes. They're simple, natural, and deeply effective ways to help your liver work the way it's meant to. When your liver is healthy, your skin looks better, your energy rises, your digestion improves, and your entire body feels lighter. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who cares about their health, and subscribe to Vital Health Guide US for more trusted, science-backed tips to help you age strong and live well. Remember, small daily habits build lasting health, and your liver deserves that care.